Okay, number 1 has nothing on it, the top layer. Number 2, nothing either side. Number 3,
got some bees.
got some bees, but just starting to put a little bit on there, it looks like. Number 4 is stuck.
Wow, that's in 1 week.
Yep.
Look at that. Got some extra stuff going on there.
Yep.
Do you have to scrape that off?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Okay.
Just because it's gonna stick together. Whoops, I just took a bee with me.
Uh-oh.
So
this looks whiter, doesn't it, than the other layers? Is that because it's just honey?
well, there's some. I don't know. I know there's some pollen and nectar both in there. I don't see. I keep an eye out for the queen here.
I think she's going to be up here.
She might be.
Okay.
So that was number 4. Number 5 looks like it's going to be stuck together too.
Wow. That is amazing
Oh,
progress.
it's gotten heavy.
Wow, that's just... Is that the one that you put in?
Yeah, but they really built it out.
Wow.
Look at the honey up top here.
Wow, look at that. Yum.
Lots of larvae in this too.
Yep. Oh, that side's built out.
Yep. That's number 5, A and B.
So number 6 is a brand new one, right?
Number 6 would be brand new. Number 4 and 6 are both brand new.
Wow, that's a lot of progress in a week. Look at that. A lot of nectar in there.
Yep. Keep an eye out for the queen if you can.
Is that larva in there too?
I don't. Yeah, there's a couple little tiny ones on the
Okay. Oh.
Look down there. Look at all that comb down there.
Wow. You can scrape that off then?
Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that.
Okay.
Otherwise, we're gonna have a heck of a time. Okay.
Probably not
number
anything on the
7,
rest.
nothing. Number 8, number 9, number 10, nothing. All those have nothing.
Okay.
So we're gonna put the one back in. Wow.
And those watching, I am wearing a bee suit today.
And I'm hoping, trying not to squish any of these guys. We've got so much cone down there. I'm gonna leave that open until I scrape that cone. Okay, let's just give them a little.
Go to sleep, little bees.
And we're gonna set that down. Let's set it. I'm gonna have to set it right where you're about where you're standing there.
Wow. Look at all that. It's a lot of comb that got built up in between there.
Yeah. Why don't you hand me? I'm gonna get that brush. Brush these guys down a little bit.
Okay, look out, bees. You're not gonna like it. Hey Kip, you're missing a big day at the Beehive. Boy, they're still not doing much on that one end of the hive, are they?
Which end? No, they like to stay to the middle for some reason.
No, they like to stay to the middle and
Top.
the east. It's probably warmer. The
Yeah.
sun, maybe?
Yeah. Yeah, this side there's really nothing on. I don't know if there's anything on this first one here.
I'm sorry.
Oh, they're starting to build
starting
out
outside.
on A, on B. A's nothing. And they're crowded in here. Give you guys some smoke here.
I think you're out of smoke. It's not doing anything.
Just a little bit. And all ticked off. Oh, look at all the capped pulpless.
Wow.
Lots of capped honey and stuff in here too.
I can see the other side. There we go. Wow, that's great.
We're gonna have lots of bees coming.
That's side number 2, side A.
A and B, they're looking good.
Wow, that's
Number
almost
3.
entirely capped. 3A. See some honey build up on the side over here. Hon, that's not working at all. Your whole arm is... Okay.
3B.
Wow. Pretty complete. It's kind of crazy.
There's little bees in there.
6-4.
Number 4.
Wow, that is just loaded. Wow, there's honey on the corners. Pretty capped. That side's even more complete. That's B, number 4.
Yep.
Do you need to get that piece of wax off of there?
No, that's fine on the side a little bit.
Okay, this is B on side 6, or number 6. No,
5.
excuse me, number 5, side B. Number 6, side A. Wow, it's
Number
looking
5.
beautiful.
Well, no, it's number 5, dear.
5, side A. Are we looking for the queen?
I'm trying
Okay.
best I can.
And this is
Number 6.
6. Wow, look at all that honey on that one. Crazy.
But they do get heavy.
Wow. That's not as capped.
And it's starting over here.
Yep, just a little bit on 6. And you can see that nothing's happening on 7. So I'm assuming 8, 9, and 10 are pretty empty.
Yep, they're empty. Well, actually, we only have 9 frames here. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
I miscounted here.
7, 8, 9. So nothing on 7, 8, or 9. All right then.